Hey everyone, Chef Cameron Tait here for Outdoor Canada's Wild Cuisine. Today we're making pizza. Not any old plain pizza, but we're going to be making a smoked steelhead salmon pizza, and we're going to pair it with some camembert, avocado, beautiful tomatoes, red onions, and we're going to make it with a balsamic vinegar reduction. It's going to be fantastic. Let's get cooking. All right, let's prep the steelhead for the smoker. To smoke, all you really need is salt, but salt would be boring and tasteless, and the salt pulls out the excess moisture. We're going to be using salt, brown sugar, we've got cloves, we've got allspice, and garlic powder. Layers of flavor, it's amazing. So what you do is we're going to towel off the excess moisture, and we're going to put all the spices on there. We're going to let it sit for 6 hours in the fridge and let it do its thing. And then after that, we're going to wash off all the excess dry ingredients, and then we're going to get it ready for the smoker. Okay, so I've got the skin on the steelhead you see here. I like to leave it on because it's really great for when you put it in the smoker. So we've got our kosher salt. It might seem like a lot, but what you want to do is cover the entire surface of the steelhead, like that. And now we're going to do our brown sugar. Push it in really nice. And now we're going to take our garlic powder and our cloves and allspice. And you can mix this all in together beforehand, that's fine. Okay, move it around. Now what we're going to do is pat it down here. Get it all on the ends. And we're going to take our cheesecloth and we're going to put it over top like that. Okay, we've got all the mise en place ready. And what that means is everything is prepped and ready to go. We've got our camembert, our pizza sauce, we've got our tomatoes that are cut in half with a little bit of oil in them, our red onions, our avocado, don't cut it yet. We've also got the steelhead, and I actually cooked it in the smoker outside at 185 degrees till an internal of 110. That's where this little thing comes into play, where foods are cooked perfectly. It's ready to go, so you can let it cool. So if you don't have a smoker though, I picked up this cool little product. It's from High Mountain, and it's like a smoking can, and it is almost like a real smoker. You can use it in your oven or your barbecue. They're actually quite good. So we've got all our ingredients ready to go. Let's build this pizza. Here we are, fresh from a 450 degree oven, smoked steelhead salmon pizza with camembert cheese. I'm going to dice up some avocado, put on there, a little bit of balsamic vinegar. That's it. Enjoy, happy cooking.